Hello again from Erstavik, my happy place in Stockholm and my favorite spot on the sea that is quite close to my home. Just 16 kilometers away from home and a 40-minute bike ride, and you can see the Scott is back in action after having a flat tire for 3 months, as I was taking my 2 other bikes on a tour while Scott was broken. But those 2 other bikes, if you have been watching my vlogs, they have been stolen, and especially the expensive Cube I feel very sad about, but even for the Ghost, the hybrid bike. But I'm back on track with my bicycling. I actually fixed it 2 days ago and was going out for a ride, but I was in Lidingö for the past 2 days, and today I'm back in Erstavik, and it's been around 35 days at least since I was here. And sun is up on the Sunday with clouds here and there, but the beach adventures with Kris continue. Beach day Sweden 2025 today is 79, that is. And I first wanted to go to the Erstaviksbadet, the main public beach, and then I went there and there were a few families over there because it is Sunday. So I will go there on a normal day once the school starts. In 2 weeks I think the school is starting. There will be no one back then. But yeah, I have chosen these rocks, and it is a Sunday and there are lots of people here doing some kite surfing here in Erstavik. I'm not so far away from the kite surfing beach that I have been also spending some time also. Now I'm very curious about the temperature in the sea over here, so let's go in with the thermometer in and prepare for the swim. It is 12:30 right now, PM, of course. Look at the sun, how up it is, and 22 degrees Celsius in the air. It felt a bit, I don't know, some kind of chilly during the way, but it was because I had headwind all the way, and I'm just surprised that I managed to pull it 40 minutes right because of the headwind all the way from start to end. Here there is not so much wind. I think it was a lot more wind on the public beach where I was, but yeah, this is how we do it in Sweden. And I see now my thermometer went very far away, so I will be following it along here. I'm guessing 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna see if that matches. What else? Yeah, yesterday was the Pride March in Stockholm, the main Pride Day, and I was there. It was a lot of fantastic feeling, lots of great music and lots of good vibes also. So yeah, it's been a while since I was on the Pride parade, but it was amazing to celebrate love. That love is love for sure. Yeah, so let's go and dive into the Baltic Sea here in Erstavik Nature Reserve in Nacka, part of Stockholm region, obviously. I was on the very same spot maybe like 2 months ago or something. I can really stop to count, but I have everything written on my notepad on my mobile. So shall we check first the temperature before we dive in, as my thermometer is going very far away. But I'm now walking on some plants here, sea plants. Oh, 23 degrees Celsius in the sea. That's super amazing. So 23 in the sea, 22 in the air. Let's then go. missed this sea over here in Nacka so much. I was on the sea actually yesterday in Lidingö, but that sea over there is not as the same feeling as this one. This one is a bit more south in the archipelago, so and it's a bit far away from central Stockholm as well. But yeah, it's gonna be an amazing Sunday for me out on the sea. I will be swimming closer to here today, at least half an hour, maybe 1 hour in total. We shall see. But it is amazing and beautiful. Look at that. Look at my beach spot for today. Isn't it amazing? I'm so happy that I'm back in Erstavik and I will be returning. So I was not coming here when I had the public transport card, as it is not so convenient to come here by public transport. And also I usually go to places that are at least 30 kilometers one way from my home, and this one is quite close, I would say. But yeah, that is a wrap from Erstavik Nature Reserve, these beautiful rocks that I have all for myself today, so far at least. But thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.